Hello students, hope you all are doing good. In the previous class we discussed about how to multiply the matrices. We shall move forward and discuss the next type of problems which involves multiplication. Let us see. You are given three matrices. A is I 0 0 minus I. Here I means root of minus 1. B is 0 minus 1 1 0. C is 0 I 0. So these three are the matrices given to you. You have to prove that A square is equal to B square is equal to C square is equal to minus I. AB is equal to minus BA is equal to minus C. These are the conditions that you have to show. Now let us consider A square. What is A square? A into A, which is I 0 0 minus I 0 0 minus I, 2 by 2, this is also 2 by 2. Let us multiply. How to multiply? First row first column, first row second column, second row first column, second row second column. This is how we shall multiply. So here you have I into I plus 0 into 0, I into 0 plus 0 into minus I, 0 into I plus minus I into 0, 0 into 0 plus minus I into minus I. So here what do you get? I square plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus I square, right. What is I square equal to? Minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. If you take minus out, you get 1, 0, 0, 1, which is equal to minus I, where I is the identity matrix of the order 2 by 2. That's why we are writing I. Now similarly, you have to prove that B square is equal to minus I, C square is equal to minus I. B square is equal to, B square is what? B into B. That is, what is B given to us? 0 minus 1, 1 0, 0 minus 1, 1 0. Put arrows like this so that it is easy for multiplication. How do you multiply? First row first column, first row second column, second row first column, second row second column. Like this you have to multiply. So let us do first row first column. 0 into 0 minus 1 into plus minus 1 into 1, 0 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into 0, 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1, 1 into minus 1 plus 0 into 0. So here you have minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1, which is equal to minus I. Similarly, I shall leave the third bit for homework. You have to prove that C square is equal to minus I. So what do we get from this? Therefore, A square is equal to B square is equal to C square is equal to minus I. In the next part, you have to prove that AB is equal to minus BA is equal to minus C. Let us prove that part. AB, consider AB. What is AB? I 0 0 minus I into B. What is B? 0 minus 1 1 0. This is B. Now you have to multiply A and B. Again you will use first row first column, first row second column, second row first column, second row second column. Right. So what do you get here? I into 0 plus 0 into 1, I into minus 1 plus 0 into 0, 0 into 0 plus I into minus 1, 0 into minus 1 plus minus I into 0. Now here you have 0 plus 0 minus I and here you have 0. So this is 0 minus I 0. Take minus out, you have 0 I 0. 0 I 0 is nothing but C. So write it as minus C. Similarly, find out BA. B into A. First you write B. What is B? 0 minus 1, 1 0 into A. I 0, 0 minus I. Now, this is nothing but first row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column. This is how you have to multiply. So 0 into I plus minus 1 into 0. Next 0 into 0 plus minus 1 into minus I. 1 into I plus 0 into 0. 1 into 0 plus 0 into minus I. This is what you have. So that is equal to 0 here, you get I here. This is I and here you get 0. Now minus BA, this is BA. What is minus BA? Multiply with minus sign. 0 minus I 0. Or first you put minus sign outside. What do you get if you take minus sign inside? 0 minus I 0. Take minus sign common, you have 0 I 0. 0 I 0 is nothing but C. So this is equal to minus C. Therefore we have proved that AB is equal to minus BA is equal to minus C. That is what is the proof, children. We shall continue with the next problem. Let us discuss the next problem. Second one. If I is equal to 1001, E is equal to 0100, then show that AI plus BE whole cube is equal to A cube I plus 3A square BE, where I is unit matrix of order 2. Let us discuss this problem. Now you are given two matrices, I is equal to 1001, E is equal to 0100. You have to show that AI plus BE whole cube is equal to A cube I plus 3A square BE. Now this is what you have to prove using this. Let us see how to do. Consider AI plus BE. What is AI? A into 1001 plus B into 0100. So that is nothing but A00A plus 0B00. AI plus B is what? A plus 0, 0 plus B, 0 plus 0, A plus 0. That is AB0A. This is AI plus BE. You have to find AI plus BE whole cube. AI plus BE whole cube is equal to, first we will find AI plus BE whole square. AB0A into AB0A. Again you have to multiply rows with columns. Here, first row first column, first row second column, second row first column, second row second column. That is how you have to multiply. Here, A into A plus B into 0, A into B plus B into A, 0 into A plus A into 0, 0 into B plus A into A. So this is nothing but A square 2AB 0 A square. This is what you get. Now what is that we have to do? AI plus BE whole square we found out. Now you have to find AI plus BE whole cube. How to do it? AI plus BE whole cube is equal to AI plus BE whole square into AI plus BE. So that is nothing but A square 2AB 0 A square into, what do you have? AB 0 A. To multiply rows with columns. Here again, once again, first row first column, first row second column, second row first column, second row second column. That is how you have to multiply. So that will be A square into A plus 2AB into 0, A square into B plus 2AB into A, 0 into A plus A square into 0, 0 into A plus A square into 0, 0 into B plus A square into A. So that is A cube 3A square B 0 A cube. This is what you got. Now I can separate this as two matrices. That is, if I take A cube out, this I can write it as A cube 0 0 A cube plus 0 0 0 3A square B. This matrix I can split it into two matrices, A cube 0 0 A cube plus 0 3A square B 0 0. Now take A cube common here. Take A cube common. What do you have? 1 0 0 1. Take 3A square B out. What do you have? 3A square B if you take out, you have 0 1 0 0. Now 1 0 0 1 is I, 0 1 0 0 is E. So this can be written like this. This can be written as A cube I plus 3A square B E. This is what is RHS. This can be written as A cube I plus 3A square B E. AQ by 3A square BE, which is nothing but RHS. Right. That is about the problem. We shall discuss next problem. Yes. You are given a matrix A. Given A is equal to 1 1 3 5 2 6 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Find A cube. That is, you have to find A into A into A. Right. A cube is nothing but A square into A. A cube is nothing but A square into A. So let us find A square first. A into A, that is 1 1 3 5 2 6 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 into 1 1 3 5 2 6 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Both are 3 by 3 matrices. So columns of first matrix is equal to rows of second matrix. You can easily multiply. You will get a matrix of the order 3 by 3 rows with columns. How to multiply? First row first column, first row second column, first row third column, second row first column, second row second column, second row third column, third row first column, third row second column, third row third column. This is how you shall multiply. Now this is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 into 5 plus 3 into minus 2, 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1, 1 into 3 plus 1 into 6 plus 3 into minus 3, 5 into 1 plus 2 into 5 plus 6 into minus 2, 5 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 6 into minus 1, 5 into 3 plus 2 into 6 plus 6 into minus 3. Again, minus 2 into 1 plus minus 1 into 5 plus minus 3 into minus 2, minus 2 into 1 plus minus 1 into 2 plus minus 3 into minus 1, minus 2 into 3 plus minus 1 into 6 plus minus 3 into minus 3. This is what we have. So you can add this. 1 plus 5 minus 6. Here you have 1 plus 2 minus 3. 3 plus 6 minus 9. 5 plus 10 minus 12. 5 plus 10 minus 12. 5 plus 4 minus 6. 5 plus 4 minus 6. 15 plus 12 minus 18. Here you have minus 2 minus 5 minus 6 plus 6, minus 2 minus 5 plus 6, minus 2 minus 2 plus 3, minus 6 plus 9. This is what you have. So that is equal to 6 minus 6, 3 minus 3, 9 minus 9. You have 0, 0, 0. Here you get 15 minus 12, which is 3. 9 minus 6. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 minus 6, 3. 15 plus 12, 27. 27 minus 18. 17 minus 8 is how much? 9. Right. What about this? 6 minus 2 minus 5 minus 7. 6 minus 7 is minus 1. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 6 is 12. 9 minus 12 is minus 3. So a square is 0, 0, 0, 3, 3, 9, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3. Now you have to find a cube. How to find a cube? A square into a. A cube is equal to a square into a. You got a square value. What is it? 0, 0, 0, 3, 3, 9, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3 into a. What is a? 1, 1, 3, 5, 2, 6, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. So you have to multiply rows with columns. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. That is how you have to multiply. Now see here. 0 into 1 plus 0 into 5 plus 0 into minus 2, 0 into 1 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into minus 1, we'll take it bigger, 0 into 3 plus 0 into 6 plus 0 into minus 3. This is what is first row. 3 into 1 plus 3 into 5 plus 9 into minus 2. Next, 3 into 1 plus 3 into 2 plus 9 into minus 1. Next, 3 into 3 plus 3 into 6 minus plus 9 into minus 3. This is 9 plus 18, 27, right, minus 27. Now next, minus 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into 5 minus 3 into minus 2. Minus 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into 2 plus minus 3 into minus 1. Next, minus 1 into 3 plus minus 1 into 6 plus minus 3 into minus 3. Now here you have 0, 0, 0. This is 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 15, 18 minus 18. So you get 18 minus 18, 9 minus 9, 27 minus 27, minus 6 plus 6. This is minus 3 plus 3. This is minus 9 plus 9. So you have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. You got a null matrix of the order 3. So therefore a cube value is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0. That's all about today's class, children. We shall continue in the next class.